A quick update. The following patterns now have a free PDF pattern in all 5 quilt sizes: baby, throw, twin, queen, and king. All of these patterns will be listed down below in the video's description, as well as the videos in case you missed them. First up is Creaky Cabin, which is available in a fat quarter pattern. Then we have Witchy Log Cabin that uses 10-inch squares. Patchwork Mischief that also uses 10-inch squares. Bryony, once again using 10-inch squares. And lastly, Broken Picture Frame using my favorite pre-cut, 10-inch squares. Now make sure you subscribe because more PDF patterns will be coming available soon, and I will see you all Friday for another free quilt pattern. I am bringing back another quickie.